Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150, that generation here. I'm talking about year 2015, 16, 17. If you have one of those, you need to find where the fuse for the heater, blower, motor, fan is located, which fuse you need to check, where to buy cheap fuses from, and why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your time and money. All that will be covered in this video today for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road, guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times, people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos, guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out, guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list, okay, the fuse videos here, so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. So right here, guys, we're going to demonstrate on 2016 Ford F-150 that we have here at the garage. You guys have 2 different fuse boxes on your Ford F-150, but we'll need to work in the fuse box that's located right under the hood in the engine bay. And if you see right here, guys, this is your car battery. Right behind the car battery on the left side, you have a fuse box cover. You open that cover and you see a fuse box that looks just like this one. We can zoom it and show you a little bit in a better detail. This will be the front of your truck. That's where the car battery will be. That's towards the windshield. Now, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, if you see right here now, you have different relays, fuses. Those are specific for Ford, and they could be really hard to find going to the small towns if you're in the middle of nowhere, or they can be really expensive at a parts store. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping. Put some spares in your glove box for a peace of mind. That's what we always do. Now for the blower, motor, fan fuse, we need to come in that, you can see panel right here, fuses. And if you come in the middle row and you start from those relays and you count fuse number 1, 2, even if you have a missing fuse, you still count the spot. That fuse right here, that's known as fuse number 60, guys, 6060. Check that fuse, that will be for the blower, motor, fan, also known as heater, fan. Thank you for watching, see you next time.